Want to fitter you? You don't need a gym. Home workouts are awesome. They're convenient, fit into your schedule, and are super effective. Whether you're just starting or want to level up, we've got you covered. Let's get moving. This guide is packed with simple but powerful exercises. You'll learn how to use your own body weight to build strength and boost your fitness. No fancy equipment needed. Ready to feel amazing? Let's go! Let's get down to business with some awesome body weight exercises. These exercises are perfect for anyone, whether you're just starting out or looking to add variety to your routine. They can be done anywhere, anytime, and require no equipment. So, let's dive in and get moving. These moves work wonders, targeting different muscle groups. From your arms and shoulders to your core and legs, body weight exercises provide a full body workout. Plus, they help improve your balance, flexibility, and endurance. Remember, good form is key. Start slow and gradually increase reps as you get stronger. Proper form not only maximizes the effectiveness of your workout, but also helps prevent injuries. Focus on your breathing, keep your movements controlled, and listen to your body. Knee push-ups. A great way to begin your push-up journey. Start on your hands and knees, lower your chest towards the floor, and push back up. This exercise strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps. As you get stronger, you can progress to full push-ups. Bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, lift your hips off the ground, squeeze your glutes, and lower back down. Feel the burn. This exercise targets your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. It's great for improving your posture and reducing lower back pain. Chair squats. Use a sturdy chair for support. Stand in front of it, lower yourself as if sitting down and stand back up. Easy peasy. Chair squats are excellent for building strength in your legs and glutes. They also help improve your balance and coordination. Bird dog. Start on all fours. Extend one arm forward and the opposite leg back, keeping your core engaged. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. This exercise is fantastic for strengthening your core, improving your balance, and enhancing your overall stability. Balance is key. Incorporating balance exercises into your routine helps improve your coordination and stability. It also reduces the risk of falls and injuries. So, don't forget to include some balance work in your workouts. Keep challenging yourself and stay consistent. Your body will thank you. Want some extra guidance? Check out these awesome online programs. Future, get your sweat on with personalized HIIT workouts. Alo Moves, find your zen with fantastic yoga sessions. Nike Training Club, loads of free workouts for every level. These programs offer amazing variety and expert guidance, making your workouts fun and effective. Plus, they often come with handy mobile apps so you can work out anytime, anywhere. Section 4. Your Workout Blueprint, a simple routine. This section is designed to help you build a solid foundation for your fitness journey. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to get back into shape, this routine is perfect for you. Ready to put it all together? Let's dive into a simple yet effective workout plan that you can follow 3 times a week. Consistency is key, and with this routine, you'll be on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Start with a warm-up to get your body ready. Try this beginner-friendly routine 3 times a week to see noticeable improvements in your strength and endurance. Knee push-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, helping you build upper body strength. Chair squats, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Squats are great for your legs and glutes, and using a chair helps maintain proper form. Bridge, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This exercise strengthens your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, providing a solid base for more advanced moves. Bird dog, 3 sets of 10 reps, 5 on each side. This move improves your balance and core stability, essential for overall fitness. Remember, listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Hydration and rest are crucial for recovery and preventing injury. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase reps or try more challenging variations. Don't rush the process. Progress at your own pace to avoid burnout and injury. Finally, end your workout with a cool-down session. Stretching and deep breathing help your muscles recover and reduce soreness. Stick with this routine, and you'll see progress in no time. Section 5. Listen to your body. Warm up and cool down. Before every workout, it's crucial to take 5 to 10 minutes to warm up your muscles. This can be done with some light cardio activities like jogging or jumping jacks and dynamic stretches. These activities increase your heart rate and blood flow to your muscles, preparing your body for more intense exercise. After your workout, it's equally important to cool down. Engage in static stretches, holding each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. This helps to gradually lower your heart rate and relax your muscles. Cooling down with stretches not only helps prevent injuries, but also improves your overall flexibility. Consistency in your warm-up and cool-down routines is key to maintaining a healthy and injury-free fitness regimen. Make exercise a regular habit and find activities that you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's a group workout session, a solo run, or a yoga class, the key is to stay active and have fun. And most importantly, remember to have fun. Exercise should be a joyful and empowering part of your daily routine. Fitness is not just about physical health, it's about feeling good and enjoying the process. So keep moving, stay consistent, and enjoy every moment of your fitness journey.